Hi guys! It's unboxing time with me. Di ba pasensya na sa ahong likuran? Kai! Okay, what's in here? I ordered it somewhere. Uy! Diba? Oh yes, more headbands. More headbands from Marie. I got some green. I got some pink. I got some this. I got some this. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. This one, I like this one. Let's try. This is I ordered from Marie's Famous Headband. This is how you do it. Which one you like the most? Let me know. Oh, diba? Ay, Skyflex! Siya na guys, hindi maano ang aking ano. There's one. This one. This one, I love this too. I'm collecting new colors. Oh yes, I love it. I love it. This I'll give some to my friend here who are bikers as a gift. Oh, I try natin an orange. Let's try the orange one. I've been wanting to have this. So now meron na akong ipuli-puli. Oh yeah! Diba guys? Pretty.
When I was in the military, people would get out and use
Pink again, pink. I wanna keep this one green kasi akong ibigay ko yan kay my friend Myrna.
So you're basically on terms.
This one also you can do it like a necklace, glittery necklace, diba?
That's awesome.
So it depends kung anong t-shirt kulay ang
Health insurance and everything.
isuot ko. Yes, I got pink. Yay! O, diba? Thank you. Marie, I ordered it online. If you want to buy, you can do it online. Marie's Famous Headbands. www Marie's Famous Headbands. Everything is set if you order. So, ayan. Ta-da! Anyway, that's it for now, and thank you for watching. Order now at Marie's Famous Headband. Was my first one that I bought from her. It's very beautiful and it fits right to your head. It won't fly away, so that's why I love it. And then the next time I ordered again. Ayan, ito ang mga kasunod na in-order ko sa kanya when I went. Oh yeah, ito ang mga, these are the next one that I bought from her when I went to see her at the Ohio Bike Week. And dito na ang last. This was the last one. And I had the orange, the Velcro, but I gave it to Myrna. So far, marami na akong collection. I love her headbands. Tingnan mo naman, ang dami na akong collection. Oh, which one is your favorite color, guys? This is the original, the first one I've ever had. So, ang ganda, diba? So, order na kayo kay Marie's Famous Headbands. Thank you.